Hello everyone. Today we shall look into duration functions. Okay, here we have a few start dates and end dates. Suppose that we need a difference between these two dates. We could use duration.days function and calculate the difference. I'll quickly go to add column and create a custom column. I'll give a heading called duration days. Okay, I'll write the function duration.days. As you type duration, you could see that duration.days function would appear. Click on it, open the parenthesis. Here you may need to make the difference. I'll click on end dates, insert, okay, and minus start dates. I'll close the parenthesis and click OK. Here you could see my duration, number of days is now available. This is how we calculate number of days using duration.days. Moving on to the other function, I have this sample number of days in decimal form. Suppose that I want to convert into duration. Okay, I could convert using duration.from. I'll quickly go to custom column and I'll type. I'll give a name called duration from. Okay, I'll the function is as a type from. You could see that as you scroll down, you could see that this duration dot from function. I'll click on that, open the parenthesis, insert your duration column and close the parenthesis. This duration dot from, it would help us to convert these decimal values into this duration format. In duration format, we have days in the first number, and then we have hours, and then we have minutes, and then we have seconds. This is how we consider the duration. The data type is duration, which is present over here, so that you could convert the data type in the similar fashion. Moving on to the other function, suppose that we have this text duration format. The duration is in text format. We'll quickly go to add column and create custom column. Suppose that I have to convert the text column of durations to duration format. Okay, I could type the function from text. So you could see this duration dot from text. I'll open the parenthesis, consider my text duration column and close the parenthesis and click OK. Using this function, you could see that now my text duration has changed to the duration format. I could just change the data type. Now my duration data type has formed, and this duration column has been formed. What I could do is, okay, what I could do is, suppose that I want to change this duration column again back to the text column. What I could do is go to the custom column, and there is another function called ToText. Okay, duration dot ToText. I'll type ToText over here. It will convert my duration column to text. So I'll duration dot ToText. I'll insert the duration column which I have made now. I'll click OK. Here you could see that again my duration column in the second column has now got changed to text. This is how we convert text to duration and duration to text by using from text and to text functions of duration. Let us move on to the other functions. Okay, here we have a few set of durations. Okay, the days, hours, and minutes and seconds are present. I have shown you how to extract days and from like difference between the two dates. Here I'll show you how to extract hours, minutes, and seconds. I'll go to add column. Okay, I'll type hours. The function is duration dot hours. I can click on that, open the duration, like open the parenthesis, click on duration and close the parenthesis and click OK. This is the hours which is present in this duration column. Similarly, we could extract minutes from it. I'll type minutes. Function is duration dot minutes. You could select from here, open the parenthesis, insert the duration column and close the parenthesis. This is what we have got minutes from this duration column, and we are left with the seconds. As you type seconds over here, you could see this duration dot seconds. You could click on this and insert your duration column. Here we have the seconds, which the seconds part, which is of duration. Please remember that these hours, minutes and seconds are the direct representation of the numbers which is present in the duration column. We'll see how to calculate total number of days, minutes and seconds with respect to the duration in the later part. Let us see how to convert these durations into records. Okay, suppose that I want to make see this into days, hours, minutes and seconds by changing it to into records. I'll click on this custom column. There is a function called ToRecord. It will convert my duration column to record. Duration dot ToRecord. I'll open the parenthesis, consider my duration column and click OK. If I click on it, you could see here that my duration, it has changed to days, hours, minutes and seconds. So in order to expand this into columns, you could click over here and expand the days, hours, minutes and seconds. You could uncheck this original column name as prefix. You can click OK. Here now we have this days, hours, minutes and seconds, which is part of this duration part. And suppose that we have to again aggregate, concatenate this and make the duration data type again. We have a standard function called hash duration. I'll quickly open the custom column. Okay, the column name is hash duration. I would show you by selecting the right columns. Here in the first parameter we have to insert days. In the second, put a comma beside it and insert hours. Next, insert minutes. Next, insert seconds in a proper order, and then close the parenthesis. Here you could see no syntax errors are detected. This hash duration, it will utilize this days, hours and minutes and seconds and make this duration column. I could change this data type to duration. Now we have seen how to segregate the duration into different records and even different columns, and I have shown you the duration function, how to utilize the 4 columns and make a duration part. uh, Moving on to the other functions, let us see how we could utilize this duration to calculate total number of days, hours, minutes and seconds. Okay, I'll click on this custom column. We have one function called TotalDays where it would help us calculate the total days. I'll type TotalDays. Here you could see that duration.TotalDays function. It will help us to calculate the total days utilizing that duration. I'll click OK. Here you could see that this is my total days which is being calculated by using this duration. Similarly, I could calculate total hours. Okay, and as you type total hours over here, you could see that duration.TotalHours function is present, and insert the duration column and click OK on it. Here you could see that for 2 days 5 hours it is like uh, 5 hours 55 minutes. We have total number of hours is 53 hours and 0.92 hours, like 53.92 hours. And similarly we have minutes left. Here we could calculate minutes. The function is duration dot total minutes. Open the parenthesis, take the duration column, close the parenthesis. This is total number of minutes which is calculated by using this duration. And finally we have this total seconds. Okay, total seconds. As you type total seconds over here, you could see that duration dot total seconds. Inside the duration column and close the parenthesis. This is how we calculate duration and like total days, hours, and minutes and seconds. Please try to practice these functions by making sample dates and sample durations. It would be handy when you deal with duration type data types. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.